couple little clips on this one as well for me. Alright. Yeah. We ready to kick it off, Mr Vee? My drink, my mind is big up Jenna Roots on this one. We're gonna take out the vocals and we're gonna give you some live performance. Sip my bite of coca. Rehydrate the brain and thing, you know? Alright. This one dedicated to the legend, Sister Nancy. Hey. When they sing, one thing Zulu don't overstand. One thing Zulu don't overstand. From it I don't know already, now got to know again. From it I don't know already, now got to know again. Hey, them not like when you wanna like them. So we now buy love and we never big friend, right? Might be there on weekends, skating and nice swimming in the deep end. Where we all my roots were leaking. When I never had food, I said for eating. Try speaking, now they see me peeking. One thing Zulu don't overstand. Might go soon down, I go Japan. Might go Melbourne, I go Malamba. Anywhere I go, my team goes to plan. On my jam and I hold the microphone stand. Turn up the temperature and hold the tan. Hey, to them to know, I don't overstand. One thing Zulu don't comprehend. One thing Zulu can't comprehend. From where to know already, no got to know again. From where to know already, no got to know again. One thing Zulu don't understand. One thing Zulu can't understand. From where to know already, no got to know again. From where to know already, no got to know again. Brixton, bam. What a bam bam. Bam 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 bam. What a bam bam. Bring that one down, Mr Vee. What else you got for me, selector? You're tuned into the sounds of Mr Vee sound. Live from the Brixton ground, where the streetwear can be found. As we warm up, the return of Jah Messenger, cause we're back like we never left forward. Yo. Jah Messenger, similar long like predator. Word to my mom and my aunt Jennifer. Original, there's not one similar. King in the land down familiar. Time to return back of Basilia. One down Europe and America. Car is the return of Jah Messenger. The return of Jah Messenger. Similar long like predator. Word to my mom and my aunt Jennifer. Original, there's not one similar. King in the land down familiar. Time to return back of Basilia. One England, Rome and America. Why? Cause it's the return of Jah Messenger. It's the return of Jah. Planning to be born down for. Banana world to the black light car. Black and me dash back to Africa. Lee run back to Capricorn. Burn them all. Paper pecan. Bless everyone in the eye of the storm. Nectar leaders of Elon. Passing on the trap on. Try going like on the no walk on. Gregory eyes look cool and calm. Who rule off for night and long. If you don't know, then buy my album. Hand out my pocket like a Malcolm. Don't try to my outcome, they're kicked in the game, I cannot run. It's the return of Jah Messenger. Similar long like rap predator. Word to my mom and my aunt Jennifer. Original, there's not one similar. King in the land down familiar. Time to return back of Basilia. One night Europe and America. Car is the return of Jah Messenger. The return of Jah Messenger. Natty long like black predator. Word to my mom, not one similar. Jeez. Cause it's the return. Went nowhere but still I return. With more fire just feel all I burn. Needs to stand still being around the world. Brought more fire just bring out the end. For all who concerned you took out a turn. Judgment come, court can't adjourn. Fall to the knees and bar like a girl. Try fly away like a bird. Fly so we speak to the shit and turn. Never cared for this, that and the third. Just say trying to get what I deserve. Dignity, integrity preserved. If not, just swear around the rest. When I look around the world it's perverse. Look in the book and rip out a verse. Mr Vee. What we have for them? And then you got bare tricks in the bag for them. Okay, greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty. Majesty, King of Kings, conquering Lion of the tribe of Judah, light of this world and elect of himself. Empress Menina, Ali Selassie, Jah Rastafari. Selassie, I live. Show that to the youngers and the kids. Whether you're rich or underprivileged, give him thanks and nices. Backbiters attempt to fight us. In the meantime, we keep it righteous. Show faith in the face of crisis. Recognize the Rasta prices. EXO, D to the U to the S. There's no denying. It's a lie. My culture's dying. Can't die here, we're multiplying. We're so close on the road to Zion. No more pain, no more tears, and no crying. The Rasta lion can't mistake from the life of Ryan. He's the return of Rastafari. She's the return of Rastafari. We're the return of Rastafari. Life's the team that they can't fight. I'm the return of Rastafari. He's the return of Rastafari. We're the return of Rastafari. Life is still a we ain't none of these back down to business. Brick City to Brick City switch. Can't never shout and stop past the big tits. We are not back this. My head up right and my only witness. Rastafari and the Empress gives me more strength than a bench press. We are not back this. Preach what we practice. As the ball spins on the sexes like a compact this. Man, they reach deep in the madness. Lead the way like Marcus and Moses all from the Atlas. Yeah, we are not back that. Yeah, we are not back that. He's the return of Rastafari. She's the return of Rastafari. We're the return of Rastafari. Life's a team that you can't buy. I'm the return of Rastafari. We're the return of Rastafari. You know what I'm saying? Rastafari. Life is still a lonely part. Rastafari. Peace in the dark hearts of my mind, soul, and my heart's where he is. Can't bury this, and now we can't park here too devilish. All we do in righteousness went right when the rest went left. I guess my righteous side to food was too much for them to digest. But seek, ye shall find. Read the signs and read between the lines. Don't believe the lies, he's alive. What do you see when you look in my eyes? What do you see when you look in my eyes? Kings of kings, now you're looking surprised. Shook, looking somewhere to I can't. I'm the return of Rastafari. I. What we got for them next, Mr Vee? Sunday business, go home, put your rice and peas on the boil because we know what we're going tomorrow. Hey, rice and peas, rice and peas. Sunday come on with my rice and peas. Tell my mama need my rice and peas. Don't burn the pot, please. She said rice and peas, rice and peas, rice and peas. Yes, please. Yes, please. Rice and peas, rice and peas. Yes, please. Yes, please. No, me no wanna bun and cheese. Sunday come out with my rice and peas. Granny and my daddy come from West Indies. Under palm trees in the coolest breeze. In my jeans, strong bloodline of kings and queens. Coconut milk, tender kidney beans. Carrot, cabbage and a bag of fresh greens. With me rice and peas, rice and peas. Sunday come out with my rice and peas. Tell my mama need my rice and peas. Don't burn the pot, please. Rice and peas, rice and peas, rice and peas. Yes, please. Yes, please. Rice and peas, rice and peas. Yeah, real Rasta, no one on that side. Give me callaloo and a couple steam okra. One boiled dumpling, one piece of pumpkin. Coca yam and a Swedish fried plantain. Walk on in. So much through the road and people still starving. Hungry belly pinning, I am from morning. And that when the whole world's a garden of rice and peas. Rice and peas, feed the hungry belly pinning. They go rice and peas, give me rice and peas. Rice and peas. The only mayor and the big MPs, give me rice and peas, rice and peas. Feed the whole community with the whole rice and peas, rice and peas, rice and peas. Mr Vee sound pair, rice and peas. Hey, rice and peas. Mommy no cooking in my tighty squeeze. Honey, when you cooking, keep it tight, please. Oh, what we eat when I want the disease, Lord. Sunday come on with my rice and peas. Mommy no cooking in my tighty squeeze. Honey, when you cooking, keep it tight, please. Oh, what we eat when I want the disease, Lord. Long before me nothing. From my hungry belly picnic and I'm happy. Then I say red kidney bean, a boil and a steam. Now I'm a two bag of basmati. Long before me natty. From a naked batty picnic and I'm happy. Then I say red kidney bean, a boil and a steam. Now I'm a two bag of basmati. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, yeah. Rice and peas and the